Hello everyone, myself Venkat. Today I am going to discuss reaction intermediates. Today I am going to discuss reaction intermediates. What are the reaction intermediates? The species produced in between the reactant and the product during the reaction are called reaction intermediates. What are reaction intermediate? The species produced in between reactant and the product during the reaction is the reaction intermediate. For example, reactant is converted into X, X is converted into P. P is the product. The reactant is converted into product. The species in between a reactant and the product is the intermediate. This is the reaction intermediate. The reaction intermediate, they are formed from breaking of covalent bond. They are reaction intermediate formed by breaking of covalent bond. Breaking of covalent bond. Generally, breaking of covalent bonds are two types. Breaking of covalent bonds are two types. They are heterolytic fission and homolytic fission. They are heterolytic fission. They are heterolytic fission. And second one is a homolytic fission. Homolytic fission. Breaking of covalent bond occur in two ways, heterolytic fission and a homolytic fission. Already I am discussing the first class what is homolytic, what is heterolytic. Heterolytic means the breaking of covalent bond, the electrons are equally shared. The electrons are equally shared in homolytic fission. Heterolytic fission means unequal sharing of electron pair during the bond breaking. Okay. Heterolytic fission means unequal sharing of electron pair during the bond breaking or bond fission. Homolytic means equally sharing of electron pair. Electron pair is the homolytic fission. See the heterolytic fission, for example, carbon is there. Carbon is there. Carbon bonded with X. Carbon is bonded with. See, carbon and halogen, which is more electronegativity. X is the more electronegativity. It attracts electrons to break the bond. Carbon getting partial positive charge and a halogen getting partial negative charge. So, to form a positive charge during the hydrolysis, carbon with the positive charge is the carbocation. Carbocation. Next, carbon with Y. Carbon connected with Y. Here, carbon is a more electronegativity than Y. It attract electron from Y. The carbon getting partial negative charge and Y getting partial positive charge. Here, the carbon has negative charge is the carbanion. Carbanion. During hydrolysis to form a carbocation, carbanion. Nothing but ions are formed. Ions are formed. Next, during homolytic fission, carbon with Z, it is connected with Z. Carbon and Z has equal or same electronegativity. It sharing equal electron pair, carbon getting one electron, Z getting one electron. The carbon has one electron is a carbon free radical. Carbon free radical. See, the breaking of covalent bond occurring heterolytic fission, homolytic fission. During heterolytic fission to form a carbocation, carbanion. During homolytic fission to form a carbon free radical. Carbon free radical. Let's see what are the reaction intermediates. What are the reaction intermediates? What are the reaction intermediates? The reaction intermediates are carbocation. The reaction intermediates are carbocation, carbanion, carbanion. Third one, carbon free radical, carbon free radical. carbon free radical. Fourth one, carbenes. Fifth one, nitrines. Sixth one, benzene. Sixth one, benzene. All these are reaction intermediates. All these are reaction intermediates. Carbocation, carbanion, carbon free radical, carbenes, nitrines, benzenes. These are the reaction intermediate. Today we are going to discuss the carbocation, carbanion, carbon free radical. Let's see the reaction intermediates. Let's see the reaction intermediates. The first one is a carbocation. The first one is a carbocation. The first one is a carbocation. Carbocation. What is mean by carbocation? Positive charged carbon atom. The positive charged carbon atom is the carbocation. The positive charged carbon atom is a carbocation. What is carbocation? Positive charged carbon atom is the carbocation. The carbocation, it contains 6 electrons. Carbocation contain 6 electrons. See, one, for example, let's see the carbocation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, na? It contains 6 electrons. It contains 6 electrons. It undergoes sp2 hybridization. It undergoes sp2 hybridization. It has incomplete octet. It has incomplete octet. It is a electron deficient species. It is a electron deficient species. It is a electron deficient species. It acts as electrophile. See, it acts as electrophile. It acts as electrophile. It is a highly unstable. It is a highly unstable. Highly unstable. It is a more reactive. More reactive. It shows a diamagnetic property. It shows diamagnetic property. See, the carbocation has 6 electrons. It undergoes sp2 hybridization. It has incomplete octet, electron deficient species. It acts as electrophile. It is highly unstable. It is a more reactive. It shows a diamagnetic property. Diamagnetic property. See, what is the order of stability of carbocation? See, next, what is the order of stability? Order of stability. Stability of carbocation. What is the order of stability of carbocation? Generally, 3 degree carbocation is greater than 2 degree carbocation, 1 degree carbocation, and methyl carbocation. Methyl carbocation, which is more stable. The tertiary carbocation is a more stable. Let's see example. See, for example, see carbon with alkyl groups, 3 alkyl groups. Carbocation. It is the tertiary. It is a secondary carbocation. It is a primary carbocation. It is a methyl carbocation. It is a methyl carbocation. It is a methyl carbocation. So, how to decide? How to decide the stability of carbocation? This can be explained basis on positive inductive effect groups of alkyl groups. Positive inductive effect groups of alkyl groups. Here, the positive charge with 3 alkyl groups. It has 2 alkyl groups. It has only 1 alkyl group. Here, no alkyl groups. This can be explained on the basis of positive inductive power of alkyl group. Higher the number of alkyl groups, higher is the dispersal of the positive charge on, therefore greater stability of carbocation. What is higher the number of alkyl group, higher is the dispersal positive charge and therefore greater stability of carbocation. Greater stability of carbocation. This is the stability of carbocation. This is the stability of carbocation. Let's see some example of a stability of various carbocation. Let's see some stability of various carbocation. Let's see. Stability of various carbocation. See the some examples. Stability of various carbocation. See here triphenyl C6H5 3C plus is greater than tertiary CH3C plus carbocation. C6H5 CH2 plus is greater than CH3 to CH plus is greater than CH2 double bond CH2 plus and CH3 CH2 plus and CH2 double bond CH and C6H5 and CH3. This is the stability of carbocation. So the simple trick for stability of how to find the stability of carbocation. Simple trick. See, stability is directly proportional to positive inductive power. And inversely proportional to negative inductive power. This is a trick to find the stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation is directly proportional to positive inductive power and inversely proportional to negative inductive power. This is the way to find the stability of carbocation. This is about carbocation. Okay, let's see carbanion. 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 What is carbanion? Negative charged carbon atom intermediate is called carbanion. Negatively charged carbon atom intermediate is called carbanion. So it contains 6 electrons. And 2 non-bonding electrons. It contains 6 bonding electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2 is a non-bonding electron. Negative is considered as 2 electrons. It undergoes sp3 hybridization. It shows a pyramidal structure. It complete octet. It has a complete octet. Highly unstable. It is a highly unstable. More reactive. Behaves as nucleophile. Okay. This is the carbanion. Simple things. The carbanion has negative charge. It contains 6 bonding electrons, 2 non-bonding electrons. It undergoes sp3 hybridization. It shows pyramidal structure, complete octet, highly unstable, more reactive. It acts as nucleophile. It acts as nucleophile. Here see the some stability. Order of stability. See order of stability. See, let's see the order of stability. Let's see the order of stability. Let's see the order of stability. See, for example, benzyl is greater than allyl carbanion and methyl carbanion and 1 degree carbanion, 2 degree carbanion, 3 degree carbanion, 3 degree carbanion. This is the order of stability of carbanion. Let's see some example. See, for example, methyl carbanion, methyl carbanion and ethyl carbanion and ethyl carbanion and propyl carbanion and butyl carbanion. Butyl carbanion. It is nothing but 3 degree carbanion, 2 degree carbanion, 1 degree carbanion, and a methyl carbanion. Which is more stable? The methyl is more stable than ethyl, means primary, secondary, tertiary. So, how to decide the stability of carbanion? The stability of alkyl carbanion, explained by using positive inductive effect of alkyl groups with increases number of electron releasing groups of alkyl groups at carbanion. The negative charge is intensified and the stability of carbanion decreases. The number of alkyl groups, are increases. Number of alkyl groups are increases. That means positive and negative groups are increases. It releasing electrons, the negative charge is intensified. The charge of negative is intensified. The stability of carbanion is decreases. The stability of carbanion is decreases. This is the stability of carbanion. See, generally, for example, allyl benzyl carbanion, allyl and benzyl carbanion, allyl and benzyl carbanion, almost planar. These are almost planar, almost planar. See, the simple trick to the stability of carbanion. See, generally stability of carbanion. The stability of carbanion is directly proportional to electronegativity of carbanion, and directly proportional to percentage of the S character. See, the stability of carbanion is directly proportional to electronegativity of carbanion and directly proportional to percentage of the S character. Or the stability of carbanion. The stability of carbanion is directly proportional to minus inductive effective power and inversely proportional to negative inductive power groups. This is a simple trick to find the carbanion stability. Stability of carbanion is directly proportional to minus inductive power and inversely proportional to positive inductive power. This is about carbanion. Let's see some example for the carbanion. Order of stability. Order of stability. Order of stability. Order of stability. Aromatic carbanion. Aromatic carbanion is greater than benzyl carbanion, is greater than allyl carbanion, is greater than alkyl and ethyl carbanion and alkyl carbanion, like alkyl carbanion like methyl carbene ion. It is a 1 degree carbene ion and a 2 degree carbene ion and a 3 degree carbene ion. This is the simple order for the carbene ion stability. Carbene ion stability. Let's see, next is a carbon free radical. Let's see the carbon free radical. Carbon free radical. Carbon free radical. Carbon free radical. Electrically neutral species in which unpaired electrons are present in carbon atom is the carbon free radical. Carbon free radical. This is the carbon free radical. Electrically neutral species. Electrically neutral species in which unpaired electron is present in carbon. Is called as carbon free radical. Carbon free radical. It undergoes sp2 hybridization. It has how many number of electrons? It has 7 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It undergoes sp2 hybridization, trigonal planar structure. Trigonal planar structure. Trigonal planar structure. It has incomplete octet. It has incomplete octet. Highly unstable. Highly unstable. Highly unstable. More reactive. More reactive. It behaves as electrophile. It behaves as electrophile. It behaves as electrophile. It shows paramagnetic property. It shows paramagnetic property. This is about carbon free radical. This is about carbon free radical. Electrically neutral species in which unpaired electrons are present in carbon atom is called as carbon free radical. It has 7 electrons. It undergoes sp2 hybridization, trigonal planar, incomplete octet, highly unstable, more reactive. It acts as electrophile. It shows a paramagnetic property. It shows paramagnetic property. Okay, let's see some order of stability of carbon free radical. Order of stability. Stability order. Stability order. Stability order. Triphenyl methyl is greater than benzyl allyl carbon free radical. Allyl and tertiary, secondary, primary, and a methyl free radical. See, triphenyl methyl carbon free radical, benzyl carbon free radical, allyl free radical, 3 degree free radical, 2 degree free radical, 1 degree free radical, and a methyl free radical. Methyl free radical. Let's see, it is a 3 degree tertiary carbon free radical. It is a secondary. It is a secondary. It is a primary. It is a primary. And it is a methyl, which is more stable. The tertiary is more stable than secondary and primary and methyl. How to How to decide the stability of carbocation? Stability of same type of alkyl free radical is directly proportional to number of carbons in alkyl free radical. See, stability of same type of alkyl free radical is directly proportional to number of carbons in alkyl free radicals. It is also same as carbonium ion or carbocation. Okay, once revise the total concept. See, reaction intermediates. What is reaction intermediate? The species produced in between the reactant and the product during the reaction is a reaction intermediate. Short-lived fragments are called reaction intermediate. But short-lived fragments are called intermediates. Okay. Generally, intermediates are formed breaking of covalent bond. The breaking of covalent bond means it is two types: heterolytic fission and homolytic fission. Heterolytic fission to form a ions, homolytic fission to form a carbon free radical. See, what are the reaction intermediate? Carbocation, carbon ion, carbon free radical, carbene, nitrines, benzenes. Let's start with carbocation. Carbocation means carbon with positive charge, 6 electrons, sp2 hybridization, incomplete octet, electron deficient species, and it highly unstable. It is more reactive. It shows diamagnetic property, and it shows a trigonal planar structure. See, it is a trigonal planar structure. Okay. Next, stability. Order of stability. Tertiary carbocation is greater than secondary and primary and methyl free radical. Next, let's see. Carbon ion. Carbon with negative charge is the carbon ion. It has 6 bonding electrons to non-bonding electron. It undergoes sp3 hybridization, pyramidal structure, complete octet, highly unstable, more reactive nucleophile. Order of stability is benzyl carbon ion, allyl carbon ion, and is greater than methyl carbon ion and primary, secondary, and tertiary. See, carbon free radical. Carbon odd electron species are called free radical. Carbon free radical is the electrically neutral species in which unpaired electrons are present in carbon is called as carbon free radical. It has 7 electrons, sp2 hybridization, trigonal planar structure, incomplete octet, highly unstable, more reactive. It acts as electrophile. It shows paramagnetic property. Stability is a triphenyl methyl benzyl carbon free radical, allyl, and tertiary, secondary, and primary. The stability of same type of alkyl free radical is directly proportional to number of carbon atoms in alkyl free radical. This is the reaction intermediate of carbocation, carbon ion, carbon free radical. The remaining we are going to discuss the next class. Okay. Thank you.